Good morning, students. Welcome to online study conducted by Sri Vardhaman Vidyalaya Mehsana. I am Kamlesh B. Sindhi, your social study teacher. Hopes that you will stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy due to present COVID-19 situations. Before starting our chapter, I shall introduce our textbook. This is our 9th standard social science textbook, and as you see at the index page of our textbook, lesson number 1 up to lesson 7, that is history, lesson 8 up to 12, that is civics, and from lesson 13 to 20, that is geography. So we have only one textbook in this class, but divided into 3 different sections. First of all, we will start with history sections. First lesson, rise of British rule in India. This lesson is very interesting to come to know that how and why Britishers were successful to rule over to us. So now dear students, before start our topic, I want to suggest you that keep your notebook and a pen near you, because if you want to write some important fact, then you can feel easy. I read every sentence from the textbook, explain it, and I hope you will pay attention on this. Since the ancient period, India has enjoyed an incomparable position in the whole world due to its economic, cultural, and religious inheritance. Here, incomparable means you can't compare, and inheritance means what we receive as a gift from our ancestors or forefathers. Here a question also arises that why or due to what India has incomparable position in the whole world. So we can write the answers of this question that due to its economic, cultural, and religious inheritance, India has incomparable position in the whole world. Our country India was economically very prosperous, and we have extraordinary culture, and at the same time ours is a multi-religious nation. Now come again our textbook. Due to the economic prosperity and cultural inheritance, people from different nations of the world come to India. A variety of people from different nations attracted towards India due to mainly two reasons. First, economic prosperity, and second, cultural inheritance. So because of these two reasons, many foreigners wanted to visit India. There was a lot of demand for Indian spices, muslin, silk, cloth, indigo, etc. in European countries. Here, muslin means a type of thin cloth like this cloth, and indigo is a substance which is used for coloring clothes. You can see here the indigo substance. So many European countries had huge demands of these Indian products because they had no any geographically favorable conditions to grow them. Trade between India and Europe was carried out by the land route and sea route, and at the center of these both routes was Istanbul in Turkey. Now we come to our second paragraph. After the conquest of Istanbul in 1453 AD by Turkish Muslims, the sea route through Constantinople was closed for Europeans. Here conquest means capture or winning. So after the capture of Istanbul, Turkish Muslims decided not to allow any European to use this route. Since they could not do without the spices, the European felt compelled to discover a new sea route. So an era of geographical discoveries began. So European felt very trouble because they could not live without spices and they want spices at any cost. So a new era arose to discover a new sea route to India. Now we discuss our very first topic, discovery of sea route to India. With the inspiration, encouragement and economic help from the Portuguese king Prince Henry, some brave people began efforts to discover new sea route. Here a question arises that generally asked in your exams in 1 marks question that who inspired to find out to new sea route to India, and answer of it, the Portuguese king Prince Henry. Here we see an image. This is the Prince Henry who inspired and encouraged with the economic help to some of the brave people and motivate them to find out to discover the new sea route to India. Many great men tried to discover sea route to India, namely Bartholomew Diaz, who discovered the Cape of Good Hope. The Cape of Good Hope is the southernmost point of the African continent, which was presented here by the image, which was discovered by the Bartholomew Diaz. With the economic assistance from the King of Spain, Christopher Columbus began his adventure of discovering a new sea route, which again came to a stop at an island presently known as West Indies, situated in the Atlantic Ocean. Here, economic assistance means economic help, and the word adventure means work with very bravery. So, Christopher Columbus, who lived in Spain, start his journey in the second phase of trial and across the Atlantic Ocean and stop his journey at an island which is presently known as West Indies. Columbus, who had believed throughout his life that he had discovered a new sea route to India, had actually discovered a new land. In the whole life, Columbus believed that he discovered sea route to India, but it was not only India, it was only a new land. Since this clarification was made by Amerigo Vespucci, this new land began to be known as America. Here we can see Amerigo Vespucci, who later declared that this land was not India, so after his name this land was known as America. The Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India in 1498 AD. Finally, a Portuguese sailor named Vasco da Gama actually discovered the new sea route to India in 1498 AD. When he reached Calicut in the western coast of India, he was welcomed by the King Jamorine and allowed to carry out business here. Thus, this is considered as an important event in the world, as this opened the door for another European to come to India. Now this very note and important phase of our Indian history, that if King Jamorine not allowed to Portuguese to come to India, then our history is very changed from this time. Some historian said that it was very big mistake of King Jamorine, because if the King Jamorine refused at that time, the Britishers had never come to India and we never became slave by them. So under the main region of the rise of British rule in India, this is the main and fundamental situations. Thank you students, and our next topic we will start to in our next video. Thanks a lot.